Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to create your own Solana token step by step using the Tcysed Launch platform. This tutorial is beginner friendly and you don't need any coding knowledge. We will create a token on the Solana Devnet, which means we are using a test environment so we can experiment safely without spending real money. And other important thing is cost. Many token creator websites charge 0.3 to 0.5 Sol just to create a token, but using this platform you can deploy your token for only about 0.05 Sol, making it far cheaper than many other platforms. So let's get started. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. This video is only for educational purposes. Cryptocurrency and blockchain projects involve risk, so always do your own research before launching any real project. In this tutorial, we are using Solana Devnet, which is a test network. Tokens created here have no real monetary value. First, open your browser and go to the Tcysed Launch website. Here you can see the homepage with the headline, Launch your Solana token, take it to the moon. The platform allows you to create and deploy Solana tokens in seconds without writing smart contracts manually. At the top navigation bar, you can see options like Create Token, Course, Liquidity Pool, Support. And on the top right corner, you will see a button called Create Wallet. Before creating a token, we first need a wallet. So click on Create Wallet button. Now the platform generates a Solana wallet for you instantly. Inside the wallet window, you can see total balance, wallet address and private key. Your wallet address is what we will use to receive Sol and make the token creation transactions. You can also copy the wallet address by clicking the copy button. You will also notice network options like Devnet and Mainnet. Devnet is Solana testing network. Developers use Devnet to test applications, tokens and smart contracts without spending real Sol. For this tutorial, we will use Devnet. Since we are on Devnet, we need some test Sol to pay the transaction fee. To do that, open a Solana Devnet faucet website. Here we simply paste our wallet address, then click Request Airdrop. Within a few seconds, the faucet sends free Devnet Sol to our wallet. This Sol is only for testing purpose. Now, when we go back to the wallet, we will see the balance updated. Now we are ready to create the token. Click Create Token in the navigation menu. This opens a Create Your Solana Token page. Here we will configure the properties of our token. First, enter the token name. Next, enter the token symbol. The symbol is the short name used in wallets and exchanges. Next, we choose the decimals value. Most Solana tokens use 9 decimals, which allows very small fractions of the token to exist. So we will keep it at 9 decimals. Now enter the total supply. This determines how many tokens will exist initially. For example, we can set 1 million tokens. This means 1 million tokens will be minted when the token is created. Next, we need to add the token logo. Important note, this platform does not upload the image directly. Instead, we need to paste a logo URL. This means the image must already be hosted somewhere online. For example, GitHub, IPFS or any image hosting websites. Simply paste the image URL into the logo field. This image will appear in wallets and explorers. Next, we add a description. Below that, we have optional parameters. These features allow you to add additional metadata, for example, creator information, social media links, and tags. Next, we reach an important section called Revoke Authorities. In Solana tokens, there are several permissions like mint authority, freeze authority, update authority. If these authorities remain inactive, the token creator can modify the token later. Some projects choose to revoke these authorities to make the token more trustworthy. Once everything is ready, scroll down and click Create Token button. The platform will now send a transaction to the Solana blockchain. The transaction fee is very small, usually around 0.05 Sol, which is much cheaper than any other token generator platforms. After the transaction is confirmed, the token is officially created. You can now receive the token directly in your wallet or Phantom wallet. By adding the token mint address to Phantom, you will be able to see your token balance. And that's it. You have successfully created your own Solana token using tools like Tcysed Launch. Anyone can launch tokens quickly without coding. The token we created in this tutorial was deployed on the Solana Devnet, which is mainly used for testing and learning purposes. Tokens created on Devnet do not have real monetary value, but they are extremely useful for developers and beginners who want to understand how the Solana ecosystem works. Once you understand the full process, creating the wallet, funding it with Sol, configuring token details, and deploying the token, you can repeat the same steps on the Solana mainnet to create a real token. To do that, simply switch the network from Solana Devnet to Solana mainnet inside the web wallet, and then follow the exact same process to deploy your token on the real blockchain. Another advantage of using this platform is very low creation cost. Many token creation services charge 0.3 Sol, 0.5 Sol, or even 0.5 Sol just to deploy a token. But here you can create your own token with around 0.05 Sol, which makes it much more affordable, especially for beginners who want to experiment or launch small projects. After creating the token, you can also manage it using popular Solana wallets like Phantom wallet. Simply import or add the token mint address and you will be able to view your token balance directly inside your wallet. So feel free to explore, test different configurations and learn how token creation works. And if you enjoyed this tutorial or found it helpful, don't forget to support the channel by liking the video, sharing it with others, and subscribing for more tutorials about crypto, blockchain, and Web3 development. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.